3. The business side of beauty. Startup requirements. There are several startup requirements before opening your own hair salon. This section discusses these, as the amount of capital will be determined by what you do. Legal structure. You can choose to be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLC, or an S or C corporation. All of these have advantages and disadvantages. While a sole proprietorship is the cheapest and easiest, it is also the most dangerous, as you are the business. That means everything you own is at risk if your business fails or you get sued. If you are just starting out, an S or C corporation is probably not necessary. Both require an accountant and an attorney to do your annual income taxes. The best solution is an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Corporation. This protects your personal assets from creditors or lawsuits, except for those invested in the business or those signed as the guarantor when you finance something or borrowed money. Note, an LLC will not protect your assets from negligent or criminal actions. Startup requirements. Permits and licensing. Get a business license from your local governmental body. You will need to register your business, get a tax identification number, and an employer ID if you hire employees. Your state may also require you to get a sales tax number and a professional license or certification before you are allowed to operate. These laws vary from city to city, state to state. Salon location. Location, location, location. Unless you have a large house and zoning laws that allow you to run a business from home, you will need to rent a space for your business. Most residential areas do not allow home businesses that have a lot of traffic or in need of parking space. You need anywhere from 500 to 2,000 square feet. First, decide where your potential customers are. Your location must be convenient, and you need one with sufficient parking for customers. Unless you are in a city, most will not walk more than 2 or 3 blocks to your business. Will you be open evenings and weekends to cater to working people? Is there more or less parking available during those hours? You also want your salon to be visible to everyone in the area. Look for a location that provides maximum exposure. The easier you are to find, the more likely you are to succeed. Functional areas. You will need these in your salon: reception area, shampoo stations, cutting, coloring, and styling stations, storage, restrooms, rest and relax area, office, changing room for perms, colorings, etc., space to display retail products. As for spa services, changing rooms, wet treatment rooms, dry treatment rooms, showers, consultation rooms, retail area for spa-related products. You may want to consider sound-absorbing ceiling tiles for treatment rooms, as well as separate sound systems for each of them. You can put your reception area in the middle of the salon and use a wall behind the receptionist to separate the salon from the spa. Salon equipment. Your equipment goes hand in hand with your services. There are suppliers who will provide you everything you need, as well as dealers who sell used equipment for low prices. Reception desk. Shampoo tools, stations, and chairs. Large wash basins. Styling chairs. Cutting and styling stations with large mirrors. Hair dryers. Supply carts. Manicure and pedicure stations. Manicure sets. Basins. Aprons. Towels. Beds for facials. Hair steaming machines. Curling irons. Other body and skincare instruments. Specialized spa equipment. Sound system or TVs for salon area. Sound systems for treatment rooms. Cash register. Computers for the office. Computer for the receptionist. Signage. Inventory. To sell products, you will need an inventory. Start looking at suppliers' products that you are already using on your customers. Sometimes it is possible to work out a deal with them. Offer the products at a discount if you provide some form of advertising such as posters in and around your salon. It is a win-win situation for everyone. Additional costs. You will have additional expenses recurring on a monthly or yearly basis, such as banking fees, merchant fees for credit cards, business license fees, utilities, heat, electricity, water, internet access, cable TV, phone, etc., insurance, professional fee, accountant, lawyer, etc., marketing and advertising expenses, salaries. You should have at least 3 to 6 months operating capital to run your business, as it usually takes several months to start making a profit. And there is more. Till now, we have provided an overview of running a salon.